Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Shariyu and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this t-shirt dress out of two old t-shirts. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To make this t-shirt dress, you need two oversized t-shirts. Make sure that the color of the t-shirts go well with each other. Now take your first t-shirt and measure 10 inches from the bottom of your t-shirt and draw a line. Now cut on that straight line and make sure that you cut both front and back pieces together. Now keep this bottom part of your t-shirt aside and take your second t-shirt and repeat the same procedure. So for the second t-shirt, I have measured 13 inches from the bottom hem of my t-shirt and I am going to cut that in two equal parts. Now I am dividing this bottom part of the t-shirt in two equal parts. I am going to cut it and I am going to repeat the same procedure for my first t-shirt. For the top part of my t-shirt dress, I am using the top part of the yellow t-shirt, and after that I am going to arrange the strips of fabric in an alternate manner. After arranging the strips, I am going to trim away the excess fabric and stitch it again. Now to stitch the top part of the t-shirt dress to this strip here, you have to flip this strip inside out and place it in such a way that the right sides are facing each other. You also have to line up the side seams and pin it all across the front and back. After stitching both the pieces together, I also gave it an edge stitch to keep the seams flat. You have to repeat the same procedure to attach all the strips to this t-shirt dress. As you can see here, I have aligned the side seams in one direction only. For the hem of the t-shirt dress, I used a similar piece of the t-shirt's hem. After attaching all the pieces together, the t-shirt dress was quite boxy on me, so I altered it from both the sides and made it more fitted. This is how the t-shirt dress looks. It is very casual and comfortable at the same time. I absolutely love it. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video.